Hello and welcome to this video series on IUPAC Nomenclature of Organic Compounds. And in this video today, we're going to talk about cyclic acid halides. In the previous one, we had talked about acid halides in general. And in this video, we're going to take up the cyclic system. So as the name would suggest, cyclic acid halides are obviously those that have a ring attached to the acid halide system. So let's understand what we call this. Well, if this were an acid, we would have called it cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. That's what we would have called this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to call it cyclohexane carbonyl, and in this case it is Cl chloride. Cyclohexane, there's no space here, cyclohexane carbonyl chloride. So when an acid halide group is added to a ring, the suffix carbonyl halide is added to the name of the cyclic compound. The ring carbon attached to the acid halide is given the number 1 location number. So let's do a couple of examples. What do you think we call this? Pause, write the name, play it back. So this is cyclopentane carbonyl chloride. Let's try one more. Pause the video now, name it and then play it back. So obviously here we got to do some numbering here. So this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3. So let's do the numbering. So the numbering goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it's cyclohexa 2, 4. Of course, I'm sorry. You need to have the prefixes first. Yeah, it's 3-ethyl 6-methyl cyclohexa 2,4 diene carbonyl chloride. 3-ethyl 6-methyl cyclohexa 2,4 diene carbonyl chloride. Now let's check a situation where the carbonyl chloride, that is the acid chloride part, happens to be outside the ring attached to an acyclic part, and the acyclic part in turn is attached to the ring. Something like this. Now remember, this acid chloride carbon, this carbonyl carbon, is not directly attached to the ring. It is attached to this particular carbon. So remember, this is the parent now. This is ethanol chloride. And this is number 1 and this is number 2. And on number 2, this entire thing is attached. So this will be a substituent now. Now remember, this is very similar to this, rather same as this. So this entire thing, 3-ethyl 6-methyl cyclohexa 2,4 diene, it become dinyl. It's going to become dinyl. So this is the numbering 1, 2 for the parent. For the side chain, for the ring, that is, it is this. So 2, 3-ethyl 6-methyl cyclohexa 2,4 dinyl ethanol chloride. So this is the way that we name cyclic acid halides, and I hope that this video helps you in understanding how to do that. If you have any queries, any questions, any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.